Whatever you do in life, never, ever, ever, ever trust a skinny person with a food recommendation for lunch because you will come back hungry. I guarantee it. Hey everybody, this is Sully, and this is a video nobody ever wants to make, ever, in the history of mankind. Nobody wants to make this type of video. First off, thank you so much for all the support. Give a like, comment, subscription if you appreciate everything we do, and I thank you so much for that. I can't believe I hit 1,710 subscribers, so I'm very happy about that. Thank you. On to the video that no man in his rightful mind ever wants to make. And this goes out to the restaurateurs of Charlotte. Very simply put, you can have a pretty atmosphere. You can have really pretty bar. You can have good drinks. You can have all of these things. But when I go out for lunch, I do not wish to pay $14 for one slider and 9 freaking fries. Okay? I don't. I don't want to do that. I don't think anyone wants to do that. There's a reason why your high-priced restaurant is half empty at lunchtime in Uptown Charlotte. There's a reason for it. Nobody wants to pay for a small plate. Ever. Ever. A small plate should not be 1 slider and 9 freaking French fries. And it wasn't even that the French fries were good. They were half raw. Do you like raw fries? There are things called raw fries, but they're not really raw, and they are fries, but no, nobody likes raw fries. You had one job. One freaking job. Make lunch. Make it tasty. What'd you do? You gave me a pork slider with 3 pieces of the driest freaking pork. You called it Asian barbecue, and that was your lunch. And you were like, ooh, my job's done. And you served water in a freaking mason jar. Yes, I'm in the South. Yes, you think that's all trendy and funny. It's not. It is not. Just, it's not. Stop. Nobody wants to buy small plates. Nobody wants to buy a fish taco that has 1 small piece of fish and some veggies on it. Nobody likes bland food, and your steamed buns are sticky. Sea level. Come on. Come on. You got to do better. Restaurants of Charlotte. We're tired of brew pubs. Give me real food. We're tired of buffets. Give me real food. Whatever you do in life, never, ever, ever, ever trust a skinny person with a food recommendation for lunch because you will come back hungry. I guarantee it. Be good. You call yourself, we're Be Good, we're healthy, blah, blah, blah. You give out what you call real fries. Okay, fry is in the name, so don't freaking bake them. And if you do bake them, make sure they're done. They're awful. Awful. See this? This is the voice and the face of infinite disappointment. Please, 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 do better. We're tired of it. Charlotte is a nice place. We like good food. We do not like small plates and crappy French fries. Now, if you want a good place, go to Clover Joe's. Go to Zablanc. Go to Greco Fresh Grill. They can do fries. Be Good, yo ass can't do fries. Sea Level, yo ass can't do fries. They're freaking French fries. How hard is this? It's not that hard. Natural cut fries are like the most natural thing in the world. Do better, especially when you're charging $10 to $15 for lunch for one person. I don't expect to walk out of there going, dang, I gotta stop by Harris Teeter and pick up yogurt. Does this look like a face that enjoys yogurt? No. So Sea Level and Be Good and all the little trendy ass places with their little small plates. It's just sad. It's just sad. This has been your friendly announcement from the fat guy who likes to eat lunch. Thank you so much. Hope y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Thumbs down if you want. Tell me a good restaurant in Charlotte for lunch, because right now I'm running out of options and I'm really, really tired of paying $10 to $15 for crap. And I do mean like it was awful. Do not go to Sea Level. Looks pretty, pretty atmosphere, good service. It's not great, good service. Help me out. It's a fat guy just wanting lunch. Fat guy wanting lunch. Come on, help me out. Help me help you. Help me help you. I want to support you, but not like that. Y'all have a good day.